Today we're diving into the world of Crypt14 files and figuring out how to read them. These files are often associated with encrypted data, making them seem like a mystery box. But don't worry, we'll break down the process step by step. 1. Understanding the nature of Crypt14 files. The first thing to understand is that Crypt14 files are not a standard file format like a text or PDF. They're often used by specific encryption programs, and the way you read them depends entirely on the software that created them. 2. Identifying the encryption program. To read a Crypt14 file, you need to figure out what encryption software was used to create it. This information is usually hidden within the file itself, so you might need a bit of detective work. 3. Using the right tools. Once you know the encryption program, you'll need the right tools to decrypt the data. The software you use for encryption will typically have a companion program for decryption. 4. Decrypting the data. Now you can use the decryption tool to open your Crypt14 file. The software will usually ask for the decryption key, which is a password or a special code you use during the encryption process. Without the correct key, you won't be able to access the data. 5. Alternative approaches. In some cases, you might be able to access the data without the original decryption key. This is usually through brute force attacks, which involve trying out different combinations of characters. However, this method is often difficult and time-consuming, especially for complex encryption algorithms. 6. Importance of backup and security. Always keep a backup of your important data, especially if you're using encryption. Also, remember to choose strong passwords and store them securely to prevent unauthorized access to your encrypted files. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to understanding and reading Crypt14 files. Keep in mind that every encryption situation is unique, and you might need to consult with experts for specific